Hello everyone. So I was recently sent a challenge lock by a fellow member of the Lockpicking United community who goes by the name of Battery. This is his lock. I'm going to be picking it and getting it on camera to show you the modifications that he did and validate his blue belt request, which does require a challenge lock. I'm going to start off with top of the keyway tension, and I'm going to be using both the Peterson standard hook, or hook 1, and SSDev hook 3. Okay, gonna move over to the SSDev hook now to get some more direct pressure on the pins. Ooh, dropped into a very deep falset there. Usually when you get these falsets, doing float picking is not a bad idea, because this amount of counter rotation you're going to get is going to be very subtle. Look at that, the lock even stays put, although I lost my tension. There's some nasty spools in here, I think. Oh, got it back. There's a very nasty spool in here. I think I might be either just hung up on that one or multiple of them. So that spool is not going to be pin 7, it seems. And try pin number 6, checking for the spool. Oops. Maybe a wider tensioner would be a good idea with this lock, but I'm not going to find one now. Just took something I felt would fit. Ooh. Ooh, got it open. Alright. Probably a tapered pin. I thought it was probably going to be a spool, because when you have taper pins that are that small, and they don't really work out as well as a spool would, in my experience. But a fun lock, and let's go ahead and get to getting this thing. It's actually... just gonna fix the tripod here so that my camera doesn't fall over again, which is done before, as you know, if you watch my videos. There we are. Just gonna prepare gutting stuff. My desk here is a total mess. And my pinning tray also has a 6K side pins, but that's always good, isn't it? Let's go. I hate these C-clips. Are they even called C-clips? I'm not sure. They are a pain to remove, which is why I really love when companies use these other ones that are much easier to remove. See, get out of there. Does that work? Yes, it does. Good. Follower. Let's see. Here we are. Ferricidium rod, which is follower, if you didn't know. Yeah, this is actually a good time to show that I've not yet opened the key. Let's do that on camera here. It's probably modified it in some way, I hope. The key must work, guys, just so you know. Key has to work. This is... Oh, come on. No mods. Are you serious? Okay. Key does work. Ooh. It does work. It should work. There we go. Key does work. I'm just going to pull it out of the way. Key works, as you can see. Follower. There we go. I'm actually going to turn it around 180 degrees. Or I could use a shim, but I'm too lazy to shove a shim in there. So, guess it's placed there. So, just gonna do it that way. So one. Okay, that doesn't look like it's gonna work. Oh god. Yep, my pin stuck here. No big deal. Just go like... There we go. Just gonna get a shim here now. This is the best I've got right now. Don't really want to make too big of a deal out of this. That went a lot smoother. Let's get this shim out. Okay, now something interesting about these key pins here is that they're actually giving off a little bit of counter rotation. That is good. At least I think it's good. Yes, it does make the lock a little bit harder. I'm just gonna this up here. Okay, so just gonna put this out of the way. In pin number 1 is a standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 standard, 6 standard, and 7 standard. No modifications to the key pins. Let's go and check on the drivers. We got a... What is that? Okay, we got a... Not even sure what to call that. That was on pin 2. Pin 1 we have no spring, and this burnous. Number 3 we got same stuff. 4 says same stuff. 5 standard. Oh, there we are. Okay, there. Those are all the pins. Strange. These pins here were really crudely made. Let's go and take a look at this. Really crudely made, but they were actually putting up a fair bit of fight. Things felt, I guess you could say, kind of mushy. Mushy, yeah. On the inside. Wait, there's supposed to be another driver. Here we are. There's the driver. Yeah. So that is batteries challenge locked, picked and gutted. As far as I'm concerned, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 5, 6, no, 6 is, yeah. We got 6 modifications to the key pins, and they all appear to be over 15% of the material removed. So, nice challenge lock. Oh, springs, all the same, by the way. There's nothing on the springs.